Hi Strivers, in this video, I'll be walking you through our WhatsApp Personal Blaster module. You'll be able to send out message to your contact just by adding them into the template, then select the template as the recipient. This means that you do not need to create the contact in the contact module, then select it in the recipient. To access our WhatsApp Personal Blaster module, just hover your mouse over this WhatsApp logo that has the letter B in the center of it, then click on the Blaster submodule. Now let's get into the steps on how to send the message. First of all, you need to click on this download template button. So once the template has been downloaded, let's go ahead and open it. Here is how the WhatsApp Personal Blaster template would look. In the first column, we have the contact number. For this contact number header, do make sure it is in the first column and no changes has been made to the header name. For the column B onwards, you can change the header name to the field name that you want to input. So example for this merge field one, let's say that you want to put the contact name, so you can change the header name. Then let's say in this column C, you want to put promo code that is specifically for the contact. Then meanwhile for column D and E, let's say you do not want to fill in any info, you can just go ahead and delete it. So once you have made the changes to the header name from column B onwards, you can go ahead and input the data into the template. Example, here's the information that I have added. So once you are done adding your contact's information, you can go ahead and save the template. So let me head over to this menu, click Save As, and click Other Format. For this file type, do ensure that you select UTF-8 CSV format. But over here, since I do not have UTF-8, so I'll just select on CSV format. So once you have selected the file type, you can go ahead and click on Save. Then I'll just replace this file. Now that the template has been saved, let's head back to Strive. To craft the message and select the recipient, you will need to click on this Create Broadcast button. Let's say that this is July promo code. Then over here, the recipient CSV file, select on the file that you have saved. Once you have selected, you can proceed to craft the message. To use the merge fields that you have entered in the template, you will need to click on this Merge Fields drop-down and hover your mouse over the custom field. In here, it will show you the fields based on the column header. For example here, I want to say hello contact name. So I just select on contact name. So once you have crafted out the message that you want to send to the contact, you need to select when do you want to send it. You can either send it instantly or send on a specific date. Then next, determine whether you want the attachment to be first or the text to be first. Then moving on, select the broadcast time range. Here we have broadcast all day and broadcast within time range. It is highly recommended to use broadcast within time range, then select the start time and end time. So once that's done, you can select the repeat interval. It can be no repeat, monthly, quarterly, half yearly, or annually. Then below it, you can attach media attachment if needed. Then select the sending speed. Here we have 4 speed, which is very slow, slow, normal, or turbo. If you have large amount of contact in the template, it is recommended to select very slow or slow. Lastly, we have the blasting route, where you can select the phone number that you want to use to send out and the weightage percentage. Once you are ready to send out the broadcast, you can go ahead and click on this Send Broadcast, or if you are not ready yet, you can go ahead and click on this Save Draft. So I'll go ahead and save this broadcast as draft. For the broadcast, you can view which contact has received it and which contact has failed to receive. To view the contacts who successfully received the message, you can just double click on the total sent. Then in the table, it will show you the contact phone number or the group ID. So let me close this. Similarly, if you want to view the contact who didn't manage to receive the message, you can just double click on this total field. Then in this total field, you'll be able to view the detail or the reason why it didn't manage to send out to the contact. So that is all for our WhatsApp Personal Blaster module. We hope this video helps you out. See you soon!